In this video, I'll show you how to transfer from Robinhood to your Robinhood Wallet. So to do this, first you want to go and install and set up Robinhood Wallet. So just download the app, set it up by writing down and storing your recovery phrase, and then from within your Robinhood Wallet, you just want to hit receive, and then here you can select a cryptocurrency. So just select the same one that you want to transfer from your normal Robinhood account, so you may already own it. For example, for me, I want to use Solana. Then from there you will get a QR code, but it's easiest to just click on the copy icon right under it, and then you have copied your wallet address. After doing that, go and open up the normal Robinhood app, and then you want to go to your crypto tab. Then select the coin you want to transfer, which for me is going to be Solana, and then scroll down a little bit, and then from there you want to tap send. After doing that, you will see something like this. Now just click enter manually in the bottom. And here paste in the wallet address you just copied on Robinhood Wallet. From there simply enter the amount that you would like to transfer. Then where is this crypto going, so either yourself or someone else. And then from there you will have the review. Now just make sure all the details are correct, and then it will be sent and it will be deposited directly into your Robinhood Wallet. So now you know how to transfer from Robinhood to Robinhood Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.